Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
This is the Weather Extreme video for, gosh, what day is this? Okay, this is Wednesday. Don't normally do them on a Wednesday. This is Wednesday, July the 6th, and this is Brian Peters, meteorologist, filling in for James Spann this morning. James is off to the Gulf Coast for a little relaxation, plus a little baseball, I believe, with his son. There's the Skycam imagery this morning from Birmingham. No, there's no rain falling, although it looks a little fuzzy off in the distance, but certainly some clouds left over from the rain that we had last night, and that has added to some soil moisture, which could help keep the temperature down a little bit. Sun trying to peek through some clouds, some low clouds over at Fayette as we look off to the east-northeast from there, and just a little bit of blue sky visible from Cheehaw, but look at the a little bit of the mist and fog down in the valleys as we look out from one of the highest points the highest point in the state of Alabama. Surface map, we've got lots of boundaries across the southeastern U.S. as a result of showers and thunderstorms yesterday. Hard to say exactly where the showers will form today, but it looks like we're going to continue in a pattern with showers, daily showers, probably for the foreseeable future. In the upper atmosphere, we're dealing with a weakness that was reasonably well forecast by the GFS, and that is helping to enhance showers, especially over the central part of the southeastern U.S., over Alabama, but also Mississippi, Georgia, and Tennessee as well. Still hot across the country, as we can see from the morning temperatures this morning at 5 a.m. All that yellow is 60s and above, so it is very, very warm. Warm still across central Alabama, with most locations across the central part of the state in the lower 70s. We do have 68 up at Fort Payne, which continues to be one of our cooler spots. Along with what appears to be 66 around Haleyville, 72 down at Montgomery. So again, not a terribly unpleasant morning, but certainly warmer than we'd like to see. Wouldn't it be nice to get down into the 60s with some dry air? QPF forecasting the possibility over the next 5 days of about an inch of rain. It's going to be spotty, so not everybody is going to get wet. Storm Prediction Center outlooking slight risk over the Carolinas primarily and Virginia, and another slight risk out on the eastern side of the Rockies, extending from Kansas across western Nebraska, western South Dakota, southwestern South Dakota, and the northeastern part of Colorado, and the eastern part of Wyoming. The slight risk area shifts back to the northwest on day 2, but you can see that there's a lot of thunderstorms being forecast across the central part of the country. And the National Hurricane Center, not looking at any particular area. We do have a few spots of clouds, but nothing that is really focusing any attention. The 06Z GFS morning run here for July the 6th shows that weakness still over us today. So look for showers again, probably on the order of 50-60% coverage of the showers, maybe a little bit more when you count in the movement. That weakness stays with us on the 8th, Friday. So once again, looks like, showers in the heat of the day. Some of those may be extending into the nighttime hours, the early nighttime hours, but I suspect by midnight most showers will be over. Little change beginning to show up on Saturday the 9th, and that is that the ridge is building back in again from our west. So the strength of the ridge is getting a little stronger, but still I think we'll be on the edge of that ridge, so maybe we'll drop back from scattered to more like isolated, but still the possibility of showers. The ridge getting a little bit stronger on the 10th, Sunday, and even stronger as you see the 594 contour pop up there over Alabama on Monday, the 11th. But once again, I still think with the heat and all these boundaries we have that isolated showers at least, perhaps we might see a little bit more than that, but with the ridge getting stronger, probably helping to inhibit some of the convection. By Tuesday the 12th, that 594 contour has weakened a little bit. It's gone. But still, once again, scattered showers or isolated showers. And we're showing a little bit of the ridge breaking down again on the 13th, Wednesday the 13th, due to some traveling short waves across the northern tier of the United States. And then finally, as we work our way out into voodoo country, we can see that the ridge is still with us, so no big signs of any significant change coming. for us in the foreseeable future, but we stay on the eastern side of that ridge, so that means we keep the scattered showers in there, and certainly we're still on the eastern side as we get to the 21st at the end of the GFS period here, and we can see the big heat bubble over Kansas, Nebraska, Oklahoma, New Mexico, and northern Texas and parts of the Texas Panhandle. So looks like bottom line is not a great deal of change. Hope that everybody gets a little bit of rain over the next 5 to 7 days. At least get some of those scattered showers and don't get some of the effects of those scattered showers like the lightning. Well, appreciate you tuning in. James Spann will be on vacation away for much of this week, so I'll be filling in for him. So we're on a one-a-day schedule. Hope that you have a wonderful Wednesday, and Godspeed.
Each day there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.